Traveling is one of life's greatest joys, but truly enjoying a trip takes a little more than just booking a ticket and packing a suitcase. Welcome to my channel. One of the first lessons every traveler eventually learns is this. The experience is not just about where you go, it's about how you go and who you go with. Whether riding a charming wooden train that costs more than expected for a 10-minute stroll, or wandering the streets of a foreign city, sometimes the journey itself, even the quirks and little surprises, is where the real magic lies. And yes, even if that charming little wooden train charges 16 euros for a ride, you could have walked faster. Part of traveling is understanding that not every expense can or should be calculated. Supporting local businesses, soaking in the moment, and occasionally spending on something whimsical is part of stepping out of everyday routines. Travel is not meant to be a strict budgeting exercise. It's meant to stretch the spirit. Choosing the right travel companions, however, can make or break the experience. It is crucial to travel with people who not only share your sense of adventure, but also have similar financial habits and expectations. When one person wants to attend a fancy concert, while others can't afford the ticket, tensions begin. When half the group hesitates at paying for a simple boat ride or museum entrance, decisions turn into endless debates. Instead of creating joyful memories, the trip can quickly descend into frustration. When traveling with others, matching energy levels, financial comfort, and travel styles becomes essential. Someone eager for non-stop excursions might clash with another who dreams of quiet afternoons at cafes. Choosing companions with aligned expectations ensures that adventures remain harmonious rather than stressful. It's equally important to practice a generous dose of flexibility. On any group trip, different preferences will collide. One person wants to sit, another wants to eat. Someone else is ready for a 5-mile walk. Without a spirit of compromise, even the most beautiful destination can start to feel like a battlefield. And if flexibility feels exhausting, there's always the wonderful alternative, traveling alone. Solo travel offers the ultimate freedom, deciding when to move, where to eat, and how long to linger without negotiating with anyone. It nurtures independence, opens new doors, and often results in a deeper, more personal connection with the place itself. When visiting friends or family abroad, another wisdom applies: lower all expectations. Hosts are often juggling their normal lives, work, obligations, and personal responsibilities. Expecting them to be full-time tour guides simply because you're on vacation is neither fair nor realistic. Being mindful, independent, and considerate makes the visit enjoyable for everyone. Travel also broadens perspectives in ways that few other experiences can. Even visiting small villages or unfamiliar neighborhoods introduces new ways of living, new flavors, new streetscapes. Observing daily life in a different culture expands the mind, planting seeds of understanding and empathy that stay long after the journey ends. Today's connected world offers another simple tool: a little research before you go. Reading even a few articles or chapters about the history, traditions, or hidden gems of a destination enriches the experience immeasurably. Knowing what resonates, museums, outdoor adventures, culinary explorations, helps travelers design trips that truly nourish their souls. And then there are destinations that carry their own reputations. Some places are known for specific types of tourism. For instance, islands where some visitors arrive only to indulge excessively in alcohol and revelry. Yet beyond the stereotypes, beauty and charm await those who seek deeper experiences. In the end, the best journeys bring home more than souvenirs. They gift travelers with a wider lens on life, stronger self-knowledge, and sometimes even unexpected friendships and insights. Travel is not about escaping life. It's about expanding life. So whether the next journey is near or far, planned or spontaneous, May it bring not just photographs, but growth, laughter, and new stories to cherish. And if you have any unforgettable travel memories, good, bad, hilarious, I would absolutely love it if you shared them with me in the comments. And I hope your journeys, near or far, always fill your hearts with joy.